Hello and welcome back to the Dore Woodman YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Today we're talking new builds and renewable heating technology. You wouldn't believe the amount of times we've been asked by end users, developers and architects as to whether or not renewable heating technology, i.e. heat pumps, are a good fit when it comes to a new build. I'm off grid. Should I put in oil, LPG, or should I consider these heat pumps? Without question, 100% do not look at fitting oil or LPG when it comes to your new build. Off grid or on grid. Now when I'm talking off grid, I mean there's no natural gas supply coming into the area. So it gives you an option of oil or LPG. New builds and heat pumps work hand in hand. Simple reason being is that the heat demand actually in your home from doing a new build will be a lot lower than, say, someone who's got a 5-bedroom house that's been around since the 50s that would maybe require a much larger heating capacity due to the fact that it can't hold the heat in the building. When it comes to new builds, honestly, at the moment we are working on a 5-bedroom house which has 4 bathrooms. We've fitted an 11.2 kilowatt heat pump, and it will provide 100% of its heating and hot water demand for the whole year round, without a question of a doubt. We've got underfloor heating on the ground floor, perfect, and even underfloor heating on the first floor, even better. So these heating technologies will run the underfloor heating at a much lower temperature than what radiators would need. We'll be looking at around about 40 to 45 degrees. What we'll end up doing, we'll set up and balance out the entire underfloor heating system, and then we'll see how the temperature is working and how much energy is being used. And we can always tweak these variables as and when we need to in order to make sure that we are giving the most efficient heat pump and efficient heating system that money can buy. Not only that, with oil and LPG, the renewable technology at the moment is the only one that will actually give you some money back. So once you've thought about installing tanks and getting the oil to site and putting the oil boiler in, none of that's going to give you money back. When you put in the heat pumps in, you've got renewable heat incentives around at the moment until April 2022. And that means you could get money back from your renewable heat incentive over a 7-year period. And on average, up and down the UK, it's around about £7,000, so £1,000 a year coming back from that. You're not going to get that from burning fossil fuels. Without question, if you have any other questions when it comes to renewable tech, new builds or even renovation work, you've got to contact Dore Woodman, www.dorewoodman.co.uk. Thanks for watching.